In this video, there is something very important on USDJPY that you need to pay attention to before you trade this very pair this week or the week to come. Okay, I'm going to show you that in this very video. So watch this video to the very end if you want to really trade USDJPY. If you are new to this channel, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex day trading strategy to make you profitable. Please don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And check the channel for more trading videos, educational content and trading strategies. Right here on the USDJPY chart, I am on the 1 day. If you look at this very chart right here, you see the market move upward from this very area of support. Market come into this very point and then we see retracement. Market creates a new high at this very area and then we see another retracement to this very point. Market did not create a new low lower than the previous low at this very area. And then from this very point, we see the market from here move straight to the upside and create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point. So this is very important on the chart right here. Now, one thing very important is that there is a volume spike on this very candle right here, which bring the market a little bit to the downside before the close we see in the market last week. Now, this very volume spike is very important on the 4-hour chart. So if you want to really trade this pair this week, you must have to pay attention to this very area on the price chart right now. Okay, so from what we are seeing right now on the 4-hour chart USDJPY, if you look at it, market moves sporadically from here to the upside and then come back down, go up a little bit, and then we see a liquidity grab at this very point. So we have a liquidity grab at this very area, okay, and the market from here come back down, go up a little bit, another liquidity grab at this very point, and then market come back down and could not break this level of support. Very important. Now, if you want to trade USDJPY this very week, let's say for example you're looking for short opportunity, you're looking to short the market, one thing very important you need to do is to wait for the market to create a new low. After this liquidity grab right at this point in this very area, what I want to see next before I place a short position or a sell position on this very pair is for the market to create a new low lower than the previous low at this very point. Okay, so once I see a low lower than this very area, then I am very sure and confident that the market is going to come back to the downside. So what I am looking out for and what you should pay attention to before you trade this pair this very week is for the market to come back to the downside. That means this market, after this liquidity graph we see right here, market should come back down, creates a new low lower than the previous low at this very point, and then I want to see the market retrace back to the upside, and then from here I would then look for a short opportunity for market to come back to the downside. This is what you must have to pay attention to if you want to trade USDJPY this very week practically and profitably. So this is what you need to do. So we have seen this liquidity grab at this very first instance, and then we see the second one right here. So for the market to come back down for a sell opportunity, we need to see the market come back down to create a new low lower than this very low at this very area, and then a retracement, then we cannot take a short position from this very area. This is what I am paying attention to right now on this very chart before I'll place my short or sell position on USDJPY right now. And this very week I am expecting that for the market to come back to the downside, we must have to see this very drop to the downside, creating a new low and a retracement to the upside before we can now place a sell position for the market to come back to the downside into this very level of support. This is very important right now on this very chart. So if you want to trade USDJPY, pay attention to this liquidity grab, the first one right here and the second one right here, and this market have to come back down to create a new loop before you can take that very sell position. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.